Namaste, friends. Big money stepped back into the Bitcoin kitchen, but one delivery does not fill the pantry. CryptoPovar Alert of the day. 170 million came back through the door after 265 had left the day before. US Bitcoin ETFs turned positive again. Institutional demand returned after the dream. BlackRock led with 111.4. Fidelity brought 33.4 more. Several funds joined, the flow turned green, but one good session does not build a trend. Large guests return with ingredients in hand. Bitcoin found support, but the signal still must stand. One day can help, but it cannot seal the case. We need repeated inflows and confirmation from the price. Big money came back, but one day is not a trend. 170 in after 265 went. BlackRock led the table, Bitcoin found some ground. Alert of the day, institutional demand came round. Big money came back, but chef still says, wait, one green flow does not open every gate. Less noise, more signal. Watch the next few days. CryptoPovar follows the flow and how the market behaves. Bitcoin recovered near 63.5, but the broader crypto market is not fully alive. Ethereum remains near 1.87, while altcoin participation still is not broad. And the money chose Bitcoin, not the whole market floor. Large capital return to the strongest kitchen door. If inflows continue in Bitcoin hold this place, the institutional signal may gain a stronger base. But if the next sessions turn negative again, today was only support, not a lasting trend. The kitchen grew warmer, but there is no strong fire. Fear is still present and breath remains tired. One day can help, but it cannot seal the case. We need repeated inflows and confirmation from the price. Big money came back, but one day is not a trend. 170 in after 265 went. BlackRock led the table, Bitcoin found some ground. Alert of the day, institutional demand came round. Big money came back, but chef still says, wait, one green flow does not open every gate. Less noise, more signal. No rush, no chase. CryptoPovar watches if the inflows hold their place. Money return. Bitcoin recovered. The signal improved. The trend not confirmed.